Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the future. This isn't just another luxury Mercedes. This is the Mercedes-Benz Vision AEON, a completely fictional concept imagined for the year 2045. It isn't designed to compete with today's luxury cars. It's designed to redefine what luxury mobility could become. Today we're going inside one of the most advanced concept vehicles ever imagined. The first thing that grabs your attention is the futuristic front fascia. Mercedes keeps its iconic three-pointed star at the center, but surrounds it with thousands of illuminated digital crystal LEDs. Every light pixel communicates with pedestrians, projects navigation graphics onto the road, and changes patterns depending on driving mode. The body is sculpted from lightweight carbon fiber and recycled aerospace aluminum, giving the Vision AEON incredible strength while reducing weight. Step inside, and suddenly it doesn't feel like a car anymore. It feels like the living room of a five-star penthouse. The Vision AEON is fully autonomous. That means passengers are free to relax instead of focusing on driving. The ultra-soft executive sofa is wrapped in sustainable premium leather. Natural open-pore wood flows across the cabin. A real bioethanol fireplace sits at the center, providing warmth and creating a peaceful atmosphere. Although the Vision AEON drives itself, Mercedes still gives enthusiasts a breathtaking cockpit. Stretching across the dashboard is an uninterrupted 8K old Hyperscreen displaying navigation, entertainment, vehicle diagnostics, and AI assistance. Instead of physical gauges, holographic graphics float above the dashboard. Artificial intelligence monitors the road hundreds of times every second using LiDAR, radar, cameras, and satellite positioning. It's an entirely new driving experience. Now let's move to the most luxurious area of the Vision AEON, the executive lounge bar. This section has been designed to feel like an exclusive VIP hotel. Premium crystal shelves are illuminated with soft ambient lighting. A hidden smart refrigerator keeps beverages perfectly chilled. A robotic serving system prepares drinks automatically and presents them on a floating tray. Luxury seating wraps around the lounge, allowing passengers to relax, work, or entertain guests while traveling. The Mercedes-Benz Vision AEON may not exist today, but every great innovation begins as someone's imagination. If this is what tomorrow's Mercedes could look like, the future of luxury is incredibly exciting. Would you drive the Vision AEON? Tell me your favorite feature in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more fictional luxury concept vehicles. Until next time, keep imagining the future. The Vision AEON introduces technologies that could completely transform transportation. Every seat features zero-gravity positioning, massage, heating, cooling, and aromatherapy. Artificial intelligence learns your habits, adjusts the cabin before you enter, and even recommends routes based on your daily routine. The electric motors independently control every wheel for maximum stability and performance. And when the journey ends, the vehicle parks itself completely autonomously.